Welcome to Qian Hu Fish Farm, where freshness meets quality. Not only do they have ornamental fishes, but they also have live seafood. Today, I have Denise here from Qian Hu.
Hi, Chef.
Hi, good morning.
Qian Hu started in 2017 in China. The what makes us special is that we use our own hydro-pure technology. We actually detoxify all the harmful chemicals and bacteria in the water. As well as that, we do feed them high quality food, and the high quality food, there is a lot of protein inside, so it helps with the meat of the seafood, as well as we do use the herbal medication extract. So if ever our seafood falls sick, right, we don't use any harmful antibiotics or chemical for our shrimps and our fishes. We do use our own herbal extract from our Qian Hu Fish Farm. And right now, we have also set up a retail shop in Singapore, and we are also exporting to different hotels as well as resorts and restaurants for our seafood.
This Chinese New Year, we are bringing you the best of local seafood.
And I'll be cooking these prawns right out of the tank, so we get to try the freshest flavors ever. So today, we'll be using the live prawns that we just caught this morning. We've really put it in ice to put it to sleep, so it's easier to handle. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're doing a very simple wok-baked prawns that you can do it at home for your family. It's very simple. So for these prawns now, we just give it a very nice trim.
Okay.
I'll trim off the sharp prawns. What do you call it? I trim the sharp parts here, 1 cut. Then I trim off the bit of the legs, 2 cut. And the end tail here, this sharp part. Okay, aside from the prawns, we have some very basic ingredients. 1 garlic, some ginger, and a stalk spring onion. Very simple, yeah. So the oil is smoking now. I put in all the prawns. Give a quick tap using towel. That's to dry it a little bit. Now it's smoking, the prawns all go in. So what will you do now? You don't touch the prawns. Let it sit there. Or if you touch it, you stir and flip everything, the prawns will not be able to get a very nice sear.
Oh, it's cooking really fast.
Yeah, I'm on high heat all the time. I do not turn the heat down low. So I've just flipped the prawns. Look at all this caramelized. This is what we're looking for. And now we start put in the ginger. Let's put it in, and garlic. Now you can just slowly start to stir fry and turn it around. As the prawns continue cooking, the garlic and the ginger flavors will be infused into the prawns and the oil. So now it's almost done. I'll sprinkle some white pepper in, some oil to show, and just a little bit of soya sauce to give a bit of flavor. And we have here a very simple wok-baked prawns for you to try this Chinese New Year.
Wow, that's really nice. Smells so good. Y'all must try. Wow.
Good, right?
Yes.
Shop fresh, shop local with Qian Hu Fish Farm this Chinese New Year.
Join us this Chinese New Year celebration at Qian Hu Fish Farm for our local produced seafood.
Come here now.
Yay, now, like right now.